All right, so here we're going to find the greatest common factors between numbers. We're going to do examples with 2 numbers that you need to find the greatest common factor, but your teacher could give you 3 also. So the same method applies. All right, so find the GCF of 12 and 38. So GCF, you need to know that that's greatest common factor. And the minute you can remember that, then you know that factors are involved, and you know that you're just looking for the greatest common factor between the 2 numbers. If you can make sense of it, it's way easier for you, and it's not just a process, you're actually understanding what you're doing, all right? And so the process, first of all, is to do the tree method for both numbers, or all 3 numbers. So if you do not know how to do the tree method, finding the prime factors, you need to go watch the prime factor video, okay? All right, so we're going to start with 12 and then 38. So 12, again, I'd say 6 times 2. I know that 6 is not a prime number, so I keep going, and I have 3 times 2, and I know 2 is a prime number. So I'm done now, and this is 3 times 2 times 2. Okay, so these are the prime numbers of 12. For 38, all right, I have 19 times 2. That's what comes to mind, all right? And then I think about it, 19 is a prime number and 2 is a prime number. Okay, so I'm done with 19 times 2. Now what I have to do here is I want the common factor between the 2 that is the greatest one. So I need to find all the numbers that are common between the 2. So when I look at 12, I have 3 times 2 times 2. When I look at 38, I have 19 times 2. The only thing that is common between the 2 is 2. All right, so I have the 2 and I have the 2. So my GCF here would be 2. It's that simple. All right, so another example here would be find the GCF of 16 and 40. Okay, so same strategy, 16, 40. When I do my tree of 16, I'm thinking of 4 times 4. And I'm not done, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So here I have, okay, for 40, I'm thinking of 4 times 10, 2 times 2, 5 times 2. So here I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Oh, this is a great example. So what do they both have in common? Well, they have a 2 in common. They actually have another one. They have another one. And then that's it. So what they have in common is 2 times 2 times 2. So the GCF would be 8, not 6. Do not make that mistake. All right? So the GCF would be 8.